الموتى تعانق دمعة الفكر تناجي الله في صبر وترجو رحمة تسري فعاش القلب.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters and dear friends. Welcome to another video. I'm here with Brother Ohi. He's from Iman channel.
Assalamu alaikum.
He's the sound guy. He makes the sound effects.
Dum-da-da, dum-da-da.
Yeah, if you remember that, yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to react to a video. Let's watch it inshallah and see what it's about. Okay. Okay. Now, reaction videos, some people think reaction is just like watching a video and be like, oh, subhanallah, or start crying. Now, I saw this briefly as well. This is a full clip actually, yeah? What is your reflections when you see that? Like personally for you, when you first saw it as well?
When I first saw it, I thought he's reciting beautifully, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
And initially, I thought my man, like his chest is probably hurting because he's probably squeezing his chest too much to get his vocals.
Yeah, and he did kind of like he had his eye twitching for a second.
Yeah. So when I first saw it, I didn't know he's good. I mean,
did it ever cross your mind that this is what's about to happen next?
No.
Because to me, I just thought, okay, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
And I was just like, you know, when it's okay, mashallah, maybe something I can listen to, save it. But what happened after, like, to you personally, what kind of reflection does it give it to you in your life? Or just anything? Has it changed anything for you? Or is it just...
to be honest, I thought, you know what, anything can happen anytime.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? Like, I could die right now.
Yeah, exactly.
The sheikh here, I'm pretty sure he wasn't prepared for that, but it happened.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I mean? Even while reciting. Yeah. I mean, we can talk about how lucky he is and all that.
Yeah.
That he passed away while reciting.
Exactly. But do you know what's more profound?
What's that?
And I didn't show you this, yeah? Now, the first thing that comes to me when I see stuff like this is, okay, what was he reciting? Do you get it? What was he reciting? Okay, well, it's good. Like, obviously, like much a beautiful voice.
Yeah.
But look at what he's reciting, Aki. When I found this out, Aki, I got goosebumps, yeah? And I'm not even exaggerating. Because it came to mind, I was like, come on, what was he reciting? And look what he's reciting, and I didn't show you. He who created death and life to test you as to which of you is best indeed, and he is the exalted in might and the forgiven, yeah? He, look, Aki, wallah, this is mind-blowing, yeah? And he basically, and subhanAllah, you know what's so profound? That if my chest was hurting, like, I'll just maybe just stop and panic and just let the person, like, something's going on.
Yeah.
If you notice, he's carrying on.
He's carrying on, yeah.
Like, as is even though he's mumbling, he's actually carrying on. And wallahi, it just shows that the Quran, like, was so instilled in him that as he's dying, he's just carrying on. Wallahi, I'm being honest, I don't know, yeah? But me personally, I would just be like,
yeah,
I'll have to stop and like tell somebody he's just carrying on, Aki.
Yeah, man.
Casually, wallahi, Aki, it's amazing. And this verse, Aki, what's your reaction to this verse? He who created death and life to test you as to which of you is the best indeed. Don't tell me that's a coincidence. Like, do you get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
If you live your life based on Islam, yeah, what this means, and people might misunderstand. Nobody's saying, look, leave this life completely. Yeah, all you have to do is the hereafter. Nobody's saying that. Yeah? We're not here to like depress you and just. What we're just saying, look, death is a reality. Yeah, and in one of my reaction videos, let me just show you. Let me just quickly show you. This I did a death experiment. Yeah.
Yeah.
What we do is I'll put the clip there. Is there's a mirror? He's looking directly at the mirror.
Yeah.
We say this is you right now. Obviously, you look in the mirror. That's you. We're gonna show you a picture of you in the future. Yeah. So we turn it around and there's a picture of a casket. Yeah. Look how he reacts.
Nah. Are you telling me you're not going to die? Nah, I'm surviving the whole way, lad. The whole way? Yeah, the whole way. So are you telling me tomorrow if God forbid car hits you, you're not going to die? Nah. Come on, mate, like everyone's going to die. Of course they are. Okay, do you ever think about death? You're showing me that anyway, lad. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So why are you anyway? Okay, so why are you showing me that? Yeah, so what? Don't put get that mic on my face. Why? Get that mic on my face. Why are you showing me that? Well, what's wrong with that? Why are you showing me for? No, what's wrong with that? What do you mean what's wrong with that? You're coming up to me saying all this. Move that mic on my face, bro. I'll put the mic up you, bro. Understand me? I don't care. I don't care if you're doing an experiment.
Look, what's your thoughts on that? Like, look,
my thoughts was I think he actually hit him.
Yes.
I think he actually reacted.
And look at the way it's on camera. He knows it's on camera. He's going on an absolute mad one. So as human beings, we live like, I think we're the only creatures on this planet that live like they're not going to die tomorrow. And when we are reminded of death, I bet you so many people are going to avoid watching this. Just because it's death. Just because we don't want to. You know.
I do the same as well, bro.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah, nobody's saying, okay, every day remind death, but every now and then it's good.
Yeah, every
you know?
now and then, yeah.
And to be honest, I don't want to long it out, but like I said before, I just want to share one verse with you guys, like I said before, in the Quran, in chapter 4, Surah Nisa, verse 78, wherever you may be, death will overtake you, even if you should be within towers of lofty construction, but if good comes to you, them, they say, this is from Allah, etc., etc. So, guys, we can't run away from death as much as we like, yeah? It's going to find us. The man who is wise, or the woman who's wise, would think of how do I prepare for that, you know? And you will die the way you live. And meaning, what I was coming to my original point is that, look, practice your religion as much as you can. You dying in a state of meaning, what we mean is don't die in a state of you was clubbing and you was drunk and whatever it may be. God knows what he was doing, yeah? What we're saying is, yes, may Allah give us a death like that in Salah, etc. However, nobody's saying that you have to die like this to say, okay, mashallah, you're definitely saved. No, what we're saying is, look, for example, imagine you died and you prayed Maghrib. You prayed your Salah. But you didn't miss your Salah. This is what we're trying to say. You died and you was reciting Quran, for example. Or you died when you was doing an act of charity. Yeah? So what we're trying to say is, we're not saying you have to be like you can be like them, but nobody's saying you have to be like a big sheikh. You should aspire to, but do your little thing what you can do. Give in charity, help people. Imagine you was feeding a neighbor or per person and you passed away. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So that's about it, guys, from me and Brother Ohi. Maybe we might have him more on the show.
Inshallah.
Is there any last words? Anything you want to say? Or?
No, not really, to be honest. But even this reaction video, doing this, it actually made me think as well. So
it's a reflection for all of us. May Allah bless you, Brother Ohi.
You too, bro.
May Allah bless every single one of you guys. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh from us and Iman channel. Watch them on Sky 857. Big up.
كل نفس ذائقة الموت كل نفس ذائقة الموت ثم إلينا ترجعون والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لنبوئنهم من الجنة غرفا تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها نعم أجر العاملين الذين صبروا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون